Travel day. Well, we've sort of made it. Flew into the airport. There's about an hour and a half drive to go from here. Although Google Maps says it's going to be an hour, I don't believe it. I don't think they've, accounted for this accident action here. We're under a bridge. No rain. I'm really excited about this trip. I'm going to be on the road for about 6 days here, and I'm going to be hitting a couple different cities, then we're headed somewhere else, and then we're headed home. And anyway, I'm really excited because I think from a photography standpoint, I obviously mentioned to you guys in earlier videos a few weeks ago that I am working on artist series. I am expecting a plethora of weather conditions today. This is the rain segment. The good news is we are moving again. This would be the sunny portion of the day. You know, one of the cool things about the artist series is I get to travel. And no offense to New York, I love New York City, I love Los Angeles, I love London, I love big cities. But one of the cool things is because I go to artists, it's gotten me the opportunity to get out. And what's really cool is when you have a little bit of a drive from the airport to some place, you get to get out and see things, and it's pretty amazing. I love it. This thing looks amazing. So we don't actually start filming anything.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 200, then continue on to Florida 681.
As I was saying, right now we are heading over to Clyde's studio. We're not actually doing any filming until tomorrow, but I think we're going to talk through a few things, and then I'll probably go get some dinner or something, and we'll get all ready to shoot in the morning.
Continue on Florida 681 for 3 miles.
Right now I'm headed over to the studio, and we're not actually filming anything until tomorrow, but we're going to have a quick little run through and meeting and game plan of what we're going to do, and should be kind of cool. Then I'll probably find food or something and then get ready. Should be in here somewhere. Okay, I'm going to run in here for a meeting. I'm not bringing the camera because I haven't met these people yet, and that would be entirely weird, so I'll see you guys in a few minutes. I'm bringing you here tomorrow, don't worry. Okay, that was cool. You guys are in for a serious treat.
Turn left on East Venice Avenue.
Sorry. So what we did is kind of had a little discussion about what we'll be filming over the next couple days. I'm really excited because I think we're going to be doing a little more than I've done for a lot of people with artist series. A lot of times you go in, and I understand totally, but everybody's busy, and so you have kind of a day to knock everything out, or sometimes it's just kind of one session. But the cool thing is that I'm going to be down here for the next 2 days, and before I go on to my next adventure. But I think we'll have a lot of ground we can cover, and they had some suggestions that are really cool, so I am totally amped. I'm going to be kind of doing behind the scenes as we go along here. That's what I'm doing different this time with the artist series, so you guys kind of have a heads up on who we're talking about before their actual video rolls. But I'm really excited about this, and there's going to be a lot of cool stuff to cover, so can't wait. Now I have to go find the hotel. Pretty cool. Not bad. It's hot out here, but that'll do. So we made it to Venice, Florida, flew into Tampa Bay and drove down here. And I'm here over the next couple days to work with Clyde Butcher, who is an amazing landscape, large format photographer. You guys are going to love this. Anyway, I want to give you a little behind the scenes as best I can over the next couple days. It's a little tough when I'm having to shoot artist series and do behind the scenes, but we'll see what happens. Just thought it'd be fun to watch the sun go down. First up for the Artist Series Season 3 is an American photographer, Clyde Butcher. Clyde is known best for his ultra-large format photography depicting the Everglades in Florida. He's created an identity with his location that is extremely unique in the world of landscape photography. After moving to Florida in 1980, he struggled a bit to find his style in this new location, and after his son was tragically killed by a drunk driver in 1986, he found solace in the wilderness of Big Cypress National Preserve. He soon abandoned color completely to focus exclusively on printing large-scale black and white images. Today, he owns 3 galleries in Florida and works from the one in Venice, which also houses a completely custom darkroom for making prints from small to extremely large in scale. He currently has a show up at the Salvador Dali Museum in St. Petersburg, in which he was commissioned to photograph Dali's home in Spain. Morning, everyone. It is day 4. It is Friday, and I've been in Florida since Tuesday working with Clyde, and this was amazing. We did a lot more than what I normally do on an artist series in terms of B-roll and other things between the Dali Museum exhibition in St. Petersburg, and yesterday we went out to Mayaca State Park to do some shooting. You guys are going to love this video. I am super excited. Clyde Butcher this is the first time I've met him. He is a complete gentleman. What a cool guy. I had a blast. He was the perfect host, and Clyde had a stroke 2 years ago, and you barely know. I mean, the dude has like more energy than me. I mean, he's wearing me out half the time. I've never met anyone more determined and just all around inspiring than Clyde, and I hope you guys get that out of the video when we do it. I've just shown you some clips behind the scenes and stuff. It's very hard to do behind the scenes and come down here and do a video by myself at the same time. It's the best I could do, but the adventure is not over. I'm on my way to Tampa Bay right now. I'm headed to the airport, and we are going to go to New Jersey for something completely different. You'll see soon. But anyway, I had an awesome time in Florida. I can't wait to come back. And also, another thing I did while I was down here that you guys didn't see any footage of is I talked to another photographer who is another one of the greats, and I'm going to be back down here at some point, hopefully this year, to do that video. So I'm super excited. So this was a great trip, and it was funny. Yesterday, we were coming back from the state park, and I was talking to Clyde, and he said that doing this exhibition in St. Petersburg has been really exhausting. He said, boy, as soon as this is over, I've got one more signing, and then I'm going to get back into shape. And I'm like, what are you talking about? I mean, the guy's killing it, right? And so, Clyde, if you're watching this, I'm going to get into shape myself, so we'll hold each other accountable. So anyway, this was awesome. Let me show you my other new favorite thing here, this sky bridge. It's like amazing over the water. Check this out. Not quite as scary as Mackinac.